Dream Chasers? What's up, Ranch Gang? We are back in the legendary Hellcat Charger. Yes, it's still here. It's still here. It's not in California where it's supposed to be. Oh my God. I'll make a separate video on this. But before we get into that, DJ, please hit that motherfucking intro.
Supercharged, 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 supercharged.
Today's video is just pretty much a video of basically the sound of this car. So in case you guys are wondering, this is a 406 cubic inch motor built by 918 Hemi Performance out in Oklahoma. So shout out to my buddies at 918 Performance out there. Scott, you are the man. I really appreciate you. Bless you. So they built it for me, and it has a nasty cam. This is one of my favorite sounding Hellcats, not just because it's mine, but because it is one of the best sounding Hellcats out there. This is a custom one-off cam just for this engine. The spec, Scott does not even want to release the specs because it's so unique. It has an awesome sound to it. And it is tuned by the best in the game, Mr. ZH Tunes himself. If you guys want the best tuner in the game, there are several great tuners. I'll make a video on that of how to choose your tuner. But in my opinion, ZH Tunes is your guy. His transmission tuning it's delicious. I can drive this on the street, zero issues. And then obviously you guys saw that this car is an 8-second, 4,500 pound missile. But I did want to give a clip on the outside for anybody who maybe hasn't heard what a cammed Hellcat actually sounds like. It's obviously not like an LS. Nothing sounds like an LS. LS motors have a very unique, distinct sound. And usually when you cam a Hemi, it doesn't do much for it unless it's severely modded. So you don't want to just throw a cam on like a stock Hellcat motor. You're not going to get any performance out of it. Don't waste your fucking time or your money. Now, if you're trying to build your motor, you definitely want to do a cam, and make sure you do the cam correctly, and make sure you get with your tuner and your engine builder or whoever you want to use, and make sure you get the cam that is specifically for your goals, because my cam is different than my tuner's cam. because obviously his engine has a lot more cubic inches than mine does. But this is a 406. It's a great setup, especially for a stock blower. I can throw a Whipple on it, no problem, and you can go much faster. But it allows you to not have like a 426, which the problem with those is you gotta feed those big ass engines a lot of air. So this car is great because it's a 406. It's a bigger displacement than your stock engine, so I can use the stock blower, which I ran 8s on a stock blower, but it allows me to upgrade to the Whipple. So hopefully the future owner will do some runs with the stock Whipple, and then hopefully he'll get the new Whipple and go run some deep, you know, 8.5s in this car. I think it'd be awesome, and see what this car can really do, and then throw some nitrous at it, and then see what it can really do. So, in case you guys are wondering, this is what it sounds like on the inside. It is a little loud on the inside, but obviously, you know, it's straight pipe exhaust. But I love this car. It's awesome. I'm gonna be sad to see it go, but I'm driving it today, and I'm doing deliveries for my new energy drink that I just came out with. So if you guys are in Amarillo and you guys want to try it, it's Cali Boy Kev Juice. It's an energy drink. It has a little bit of energy, but you can add a bump or caffeine to it, so you can get more caffeine. And then everybody who's been asking me, DMing me, are we gonna ship? We are gonna ship. So this is something that has turned into something wild. So anyways, I'm gonna go get back to deliveries, but I did want to do this video. This is a 406 cubic inch Hemi Hellcat motor, and goddamn it sounds great. It sounds good. It sounds great. Ah! Anyways, thank you guys for watching today's video. My name is Kevin Van Voris. Hopefully you guys have an awesome Friday. If you guys are in Amarillo, we're having a burnout contest and a rev battle at my gym tomorrow, September 25th, 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. It's free, as always, in a car show. Anyways, I'm out this bitch.